So read the book, The Untold Story of Sita.
Okay.
By Dina Merriam.
That's my next one then.
That is a great book that has changed me totally.
Okay.
Recently, the latest book, Dina Merriam.
All right.
The lady from Yogananda Paramahansa clan from USA. She was one of her lifetimes. She lived in the times of Sita.
Okay.
In the legendary time. So she remembers everything, and she wrote a book, The Untold Story of Sita, which changed my life. And if something changed my life, all PSSM is changed. If PSSM changes, the whole world will change.
Yes.
That's an absolutely wonderful book.
Okay.
You recommended me that I have to read Untold Story of Sita, so I'm reading it.
I started reading the Untold Story of Sita, and ఆ బుక్ చదువుతున్నప్పుడు సార్ somehow I'm connected to you, sir. Whenever they say Janaka Baba, I feel that you are the one, Padri Baba, because he was going to different fields to teach farming, but you are the one who went to each and every place to teach meditation. So we are very thankful to you, sir. From the childhood, when I was seeing Ramayana or Mahabharata, they keep telling that these are dates, but the story of Untold Story of Sita tells us that this is real. So, could you give us some insight about Ramayana and Mahabharata? They are not tales, from my opinion, but I want to listen from yours, sir.
Ramayana is a very emotional story for all Indians, all Hindus. It's a very, very emotional story. Now it has become not just emotional story, enlightened story.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is not a story to stir our emotions, but it's a story to stir our enlightenment.
There is always a certain part of fact in that, a certain myth is there. We have to separate them. So I was always waiting to know which one is the fact, which one is the myth, which one is a imagination. But I gave myself time. I didn't judge anything. And finally, I get Untold Story of Sita, which is pure. The moment I read that book, I knew this is the story which actually happened.
The whole world is talking about the Untold Story of Sita nowadays.
Untold Stories of Sita. These are really very good.
Tell me about the Untold Story of Sita from your point of view.
The big takeaway for me from that book was every paragraph there was talk about meditation, and at any point, every discussion, Sita or Rama, ever kalsina, all they would do is let's sit in meditation.
You are right.
And how she fed everybody well. So taking care of all the visitors she had, and everybody made sure that they with respect and with very care she fed them. And meditation.
How is the book Untold Story of Sita?
Sir, that was a real revelation to me, really. Thanks to you, I read it twice and you come to know so much. That ultimately what is important in life is love, compassion, and to be in sync with nature. That was a great message from Untold Story of Sita.